In this demo, I'll go over how to find, copy, and share your public address in Family Wallet. Your public address is like an email address. It's a public address that you share so you can receive tokens and collectibles, just like you share your email address to receive emails. First, open Family Wallet. You can select the name at the top left of your wallet, click on it, that will copy your address. You can also click on Receive, and then click on Got It, and that will also copy your address. Finally, in the bottom right, you can click the plus sign, click Receive Crypto. You can click on the string of letters and numbers under the name of your wallet, or someone can scan that QR code in the center. Finally, you can copy it, and you can send it to someone else via text message or whatever messaging platform that you use. And that is 3 ways you can find and copy your public address to share it with somebody else. First, in the top left of your wallet, you click the name, or second, click Receive, and then click Got It. Third, click the plus sign in the bottom right, and then Receive, which will open your address, which you can copy or share the QR code with someone to scan.